Hey guys, I hope you are doing well today. If you already are subscribed, thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, click the subscribe button right now so that I can bring you more quick stimulus news and updates in the future. Today, I wanted to offer you guys a quick tutorial on how to fill out the EIDL grant application. This is the application that would allow you to receive anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 free. It's a grant, totally free. You don't have to pay it back. This grant is offered to anybody who is self-employed or has any type of side gig or side hustle. So let's jump into it. First, you want to go and type in the website, and it's covid19relief.sba.gov. We'll go there. You will scroll down. You'll select what type of business you are. So if you're an LLC or other type of business with less than 500 employees, you'll click here. More than 500, or if you just own or you do a side hustle, a side gig, anything like that, and you're like a contractor or independent contractor, you're going to click the third one. So we're going to go with that one. Then you want to click all these, read through them. Then you're going to fill out your information, your business legal name, your trade name. If you're just a independent contractor, these are both just your name. You'll fill out your social security number. And then here, again, if you're an independent contractor, you're going to select that. You're not a nonprofit, not a franchise. How much have you made in the last 12 months total before taxes? Say I made $10,000. How much did it cost to make that $10,000? Say it cost me $4,000. This stuff, skip. It's not required unless it's pertinent to you. Your address. So for the business date established and current ownership since, they probably will be the same date unless you've purchased your business or it's sold or something like that. What's your business activity? There's several different things here. Select whatever you are under. Number of employees is very important. If it's just you and you're an independent contractor and you have no employees, put 1 because you're 1 employee. Some people put 0 and that's fine too. They're getting the $1,000 as well. But I would just put 1 just to make sure. Here, you're going to fill out all of your individual information, whether you're the owner or you're just the independent contractor. This is your information. Oh yeah, here on this page where it asks if you're the owner, be sure to select this at the top. Is your business owned by a business entity? No, unless it is. Then click yes. You'll go through, answer all these honestly. You don't need to fill out this section unless you had somebody help you. You would like to be considered for an advance up to $10,000. Your bank name, account numbers, next. Oh, you agree, next. And then it'll have you review all your information, submit. It's as easy as that. I hope that this was helpful. If it was, be sure to click the like button. Share it with somebody else who is self-employed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was the quickest rundown you've gotten of how to fill out the EIDL application. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.